Hello all office executives, I have learned a new trick in MS Excel by which you can hide the data. So you need to select the whole sheet. After that, right click on the data and go to the format cell. From there, go to the custom section and from the type general, clear it out and give 3 semicolons and hit OK. So now the value would be shown in the formula bar, but the value won't be shown in the cell. But how to revert it back? Again select the whole sheet, go to right click and then go to format cell. From the custom where 3 semicolons had been given, write there general as it was before to roll back the changes. Voila. So by semicolon I mean the symbol, and this is the colon as we all know. So we need to select the whole sheet, then go to format cell dialog box and from there custom select these 3 of the semicolons 1, 2, 3 and again revert it back, select, go to the general section and give there the value of general to roll back the changes. That's all for this Excel tips and tricks to hide the data in Excel. Thank you all guys and happy coding.